Hi everyone, Pete from Trolling Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this little cage with a bird in. So you're going to need your card, the little split pin, a little bit of string, feathers, felt tip pens, glue and scissors. So you're going to start off by cutting strips. So we need and then with these ones, leave this big one. These ones, you're going to make a little hole in them all. So it's probably best a grown up does this. The easiest way to do it is just to poke scissors through it. And then make sure you can get your split pin through them all. So you can arrange them so it's white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. Bring them all together and you get your pin. Start poking that through them all. And then with this, you can either use just one or you can use both and just do a bigger cage or a smaller cage. It's completely up to you. So I'm just going to use both. To speed things up, I'm just going to use some sellotape as well. But you can just glue it together. And then with this, you're just going to arrange them around this hoop that you've made. And you can glue them on or use sellotape, whatever's best for you. I'm just going to use tape because it's quick. Just spread it round so it's all even and stuck down. So you can put that to one side for a minute and then we're going to do the bird. So just draw yourself out a bird shape. So you see here, so it's just the head, body and the beak. So you just want body, head, and we'll do beak. Pop a little eye there. Do the beak. There we go. So now you can colour that in. Now you're just going to cut it out. Now I'm going to make a little hole on its back, so probably best to grown up does it. And now you're going to stick on your feathers, so you can put some at the back, so it's like its tail, and then make sure you put some on the head as well. So just use a little bit of glue. Ta-da. So next you just want to get your cage and your little piece of string. Oh, I seem to have lost mine. So get your little piece of string and you're going to pop it through the hole on the bird. Tie that on. And then on the cage, if I can show you on the camera, where your split pin is, you're going to pop your string in between there, then push the split pins over it. Like so. So when the bird's inside, it'll dangle, and then you might need to move it, so you just pull it through. You can change how high your bird is. But there you go. No bird in the cage. All done.